Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever come to school with money but no homework? Have you ever been too lazy to do your homework? Some people have tutors, or some people have online help. Well, we don't need any of that. Because now, we have this, the homework vending machine.
We make our Elpers to the highest quality.
Prove it, work, go.
We have Elpers from all different races, genders, and height. We have small Elpers working day and night to help you with your homework that you might have forgotten. They can help you with all different kinds of homeworks for all different subjects.
I think I have homework. All this money, no homework. Come on, Elper. Wow, you guys were fast. Look at this. Oh my god. Whoa, what? What the heck is this? This is grade level stuff. I could have done this. This is crap. Here, give me a refund. Give me a refund. What the heck is this? I don't want that. Come on. You think you'd hide behind the freaking glass is gonna keep you safe? What?
I love the Elper vending machine.
Please, check out the homework vending machine.